Hi. Attracting a life partner and experiencing deep love in our lives is a universal desire. Affirmations can be a powerful tool to shift our energy, beliefs, and intentions, allowing us to manifest the love and partnership we seek. Before delving into the affirmations, it is beneficial to find a quiet and peaceful place where you can fully focus on these affirmations and connect with your desires. Creating a serene environment helps you tune into the energy of love and prepare yourself to attract a loving life partner. With that in mind, here are 10 affirmations to help you attract a life partner and cultivate love in your life. Remember to find a quiet place before listening to these affirmations where you can fully immerse yourself in the positive energy they offer. Affirmations to attract a life partner and love. 1. I am ready to attract a loving and compatible life partner. I am ready to attract a loving and compatible life partner. 2. Love flows effortlessly and abundantly into my life. Love flows effortlessly and abundantly into my life. 3. I deserve a partner who loves and accepts me unconditionally. I deserve a partner who loves and accepts me unconditionally. 4.